up, boys and girls? Welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I'm working out a new song from Louis Tomlinson. It's called The Observer. Before we move on to that tutorial, I'm going to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. If you watch Gruvgear Guitar tutorials, then you probably heard about my Gruvgear Guitar 6 strings ago. That's the new channel, that's the name of it, and I'm gonna put the link on my left side up here somewhere. You can check out that channel. I really need your support there. It's new, and we're gonna learn to play songs there from the beginning till the very end, not just the chords. And so I play through and I'll show you the chords, and you just follow along and learn it. So yeah, go and be a member there, subscribe on that channel. So thank you very much for that. Now let's move on with this tutorial. We have a song with I believe 7 chords or so, maybe 6, 7, not sure. We're gonna look into that, and we don't need any capo or so for that. We're just gonna go clean on the fretboard. So let's start with the chords. We're gonna start with E minor first. So E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We also got the E later on. What you do there from the E minor, you just add on that first fret G string. That will be the E. Next chord will be D. That goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. C next. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We got the B as well, which is the bar chord. You place the index finger on the second fret, 5 strings if you count from bottom up. That's where you place the first bar, and then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 4th B. You can also go with a secondary bar in front of that on the 4th fret, of course. And if you go all the way down with that second bar, then stay away from the last E string, the high E string, when it comes to the strumming, okay? So that is the B. Next up is the A minor. And that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally we got the A. Open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And there we have all the chords. Now let's go into the strumming, and it's very simple. We're gonna play with down up. That's it. So down up is one strumming around. Now when it comes to the first verse, we're gonna play E minor to D to C for the first 3 rounds, and then B and D on the 4th round. How do we handle that? Let's show like this. Okay, so you're gonna play E minor. You're gonna play down, up, down, up, down. So, and then you go to D and play just up. And then you go to C and play up. And then 4 string rounds. That means down, up 4 times. That is the first round. You're gonna play that in the same way for 3 times. So down, up, down, D up, and then C up, and then down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So slowly. Tempo. That's the first 3 rounds, and then the 4th round you're gonna play B, 4 string rounds. That means down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then D, 4 string rounds, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So all these 4 rounds consider being 1 chord progression round or so. That means you're gonna play them twice. Okay, so you play 3 rounds first, and then B, D, and then you start all over again, 3 rounds, and then B, D. That is the first verse. And then we're gonna hit the first pre-chorus at 31 seconds in. And in the lyrics, they're measuring. That's where you are. Now you're gonna play A minor, 8 string rounds, C, 4, and D, 4. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So 1 round goes. 2 rounds of that, and then you're gonna hit the first chorus at 47 seconds in. And nobody's watching, that's where we are. And what you're gonna play now, it's the same technique as you played in the verse play with the down, up, up, and then up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Now different chords. You're gonna play 4 rounds of E minor, the first part, that is a down, up, down, up, down, and then C, up, and then A minor, up, and then 4 string rounds of that. So E minor, C, A minor, one round goes like this. And in tempo. I played 2, you're gonna play 4, and that is the first round in this song. Now the second round, it goes in the exact same way almost. We don't have any second pre-chorus. You're gonna play this second verse in the same way as the first one, and then you're gonna jump into the second chorus played in the same way as the first chorus. After that, we're gonna hit the bridge part about 1 minute and 40 seconds in. Now you're gonna have and use that same technique, the down, up, down, up, down, up, and then up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Different chords just. So for the first 3 rounds, you're gonna play C to D to A. Okay? So one round goes like this. That's the first 3 rounds. Then we have a 4th round where you're gonna play C to D to E. The same technique there, so 4th round goes. And then the 5th round, you're gonna play C to D to A minor. So. And then you're gonna finish off with E4 and D4. Alright, so that is a long bridge, and that is what you're gonna play for this. And now we're gonna go into the final chorus. You're gonna play the 3rd one, and that is played in the same way, but it's just twice as long. So 8 rounds of that E minor, C to A minor. After that, we have the outro part left. You're gonna play C 4 string rounds, D 4 string rounds, and then comes that down, up, down, up, down on the E minor to C up, and then A minor up, and then down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Play that part for 2 rounds, and yes, that's, my friends, how you handle the song from Louis Tomlinson. It's called The Observer. Cool song, powerful, straightforward. So once you learn the chords, it's pretty straightforward with the down up. You just go with that technique. So good luck with that, and don't forget, Gruvgear Guitars 6 strings ago is waiting for you. So go and subscribe to my new channel there. And yes, thank you for support, guys. Till next time, play tuned.